At NP Nutra, our Triple T verification program provides transparency and peace of mind. From field to customer, every step of the process is controlled. We work closely with our manufacturing partners and their growers to verify traceability and to ensure sustainable methods are used. Growers are trained and supported, and we conduct regular field visits, monitoring conditions and local developments to guarantee compliance to our standards. Raw ingredients are meticulously examined to meet specific criteria, then processed in GFSI-certified state-of-the-art facilities. Each manufacturing partner has passed our strict vendor qualification program, which includes interviews, assessments, and regular facility audits. Stringent quality control and third-party validation guarantees safety, compliance to regulations, and conformance to our quality standards. We carefully document, package, and ship ingredients to our valued customers around the world. NP Nutra, leading the world in nutraceuticals.